Hey, welcome to our trail. I'm John.
I'm Jennifer.
And this is Pierce. Today we're out at our Cullowbee wetlands. We're in between rain showers and we're just kind of hoping to enjoy some of the beauty while we have the chance. So let's go.
Ready? Thing right there. See him hopping? There he is.
Alright guys, it's time for the weather report. It's about 11 o'clock. Today we had a low of 55 this morning. We've got a high of 59.
Wow, Dada.
And it's currently 57 degrees, so it's a nice mild day for us. Again, we've got some sun out right now. By 1 o'clock, we're expecting some more rain, so let's just enjoy this together.
Alright, so our channel is pretty new. We've only been around a couple of months. We've been having such a fun time bringing everyone along with us on our trail as we walk and enjoy nature. And if you're new here and you enjoy seeing nature, hopefully it brings some relaxation and you wouldn't mind a little bit of a family vlog in it too. The cameras are really close to my face. But if you want some close-ups of my face and a little family vlog with your nature, then you've come to the right channel. So please subscribe, stay with us, and enjoy. Okay, here we go. Where's the moon? You found the moon. Good job. So as we're enjoying our walks and enjoying nature as it goes into fall, just curious what you guys do for a family tradition when Halloween starts to come around, and is it time for pumpkin patches, or do you guys make pumpkin pie? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to try out a few new family traditions for our own. Is that some of Mama's weather?
about every 1 to 2 minutes, we're being flown over by these Canadian geese out here. It's really great. We'll show you some of these guys as they fly over us and honk on their journey. There's some right now.
Out of breath from running up that ramp, but I do have a tip of the day for you. So as the weather kind of slowly progresses in fall and gets a little bit colder and a little bit wetter, that can kind of slow down your motivation to get outside and enjoy it. So we recommend looking at your closet and making sure you have all the tools you need to still be in nature and enjoying it even if it's wet and cold. So you might need some new boots, a new raincoat, but whatever you need, get stocked up, because once you have the tools that you need, then you'll easily kind of throw everything on and get outside. So now's a great time to kind of refresh your boots and get going.
Pear, pear, orange, pear, 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 carrot, pear, 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 pear,
Let's do some
pear,
Halloween.
pear, pear, pear.
Match our. You wanna look at this one, baby? No? This one still? There you go. That looks great. Show Dada. Oh yeah, Dada. Ready.
Yours is looking good. You ready? Go!
outro. Look, who's that?
Look, it's outro
Who's that?
time.
Well, thank you so much for watching today. We really enjoyed our walk in nature. It was beautiful, and we hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. We will bring more of these types of videos to you regularly. Give it a
And we'll see you on our next trail.